free gas and then we'll go out. Fucking beautiful day. So welcome to the channel. This is the first audio test video, first video with actual talking in it. I bet you 9 times out of 10, I bet you $90 that this fucking video is gonna be garbage. It's like the walkers from Orange. Oh, I need an invitation to turn. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Man, I hate Florida drivers. Fuck. Fucking Panigale joke. When you ride a Panigale, you can pass everything on the road besides for a gas station. Shut up. And one of my favorite parts about owning a Panigale. Oh, sounds so good starting up. And revving. So, let's get this fucking vlog going. So, welcome to the channel. My name is Paramoto. I've been on YouTube since 2014. This is my first week actually posting videos because I finally got this GoPro. And yeah, so I figured I'd start actually doing motovlogs since I've been watching them for about forever. Let's see, what do I want to talk about in regards to that? So yes, I got into motorcycles and watching YouTube about the same time. It was really, don't kill me. So they basically coincided. Like I started watching Rebel Yell 91, and I started watching Rebel Yell 91 after I got to ride some like sporty ATVs that did like the same thing as they did the same thing as like the same shifting pattern as the motorcycle and shit. So I was just like, fuck it, I want to actually ride a motorcycle. My first motorcycle, and it was the 2013 Ninja 300, and I fucking rode the piss out of that fucking thing. Like I put in, and I was living in Ohio at the time. You see North Carolina in front of you, but I rode the piss out of that thing. I rode like 11,000 miles in about like 11 months. And that was 11 months of Ohio riding season. So I wasn't riding for several months. What the fuck are you the fuck doing? Are you serious, dude? Are you serious? It's like 45 here. You were going 25. Ugh. Where was I? I got rudely interrupted by that fucking slow dick. God. So, back in the day, like I was saying before I got sidetracked with the history of bikes. So back in the day, I used to watch the shit out of like Rebel Yell 91 and like Chase in 3D. That's Chase on 2 wheels before he was even Chase on 2 wheels. He was Chase in 3D because he used to have like graphics, design, whatever the fuck, project was, Chase in 3D. So he had his YouTube channel for that. That just turned into a motorcycle channel as he learned to ride an SV650. So I was watching that before he was even chasing 2 wheels. And I got really into motovlogs, and then I found like Baron von Grumble and all that stuff. And my favorite thing when it comes down to motovlogs is the simple ones, the simple motovlogs. Back when you used to watch Baron von Grumble just trudge through London traffic and just bitch. Those are my favorite videos, and like YouTube's really gotten away from that. YouTube is literally like, all these channels, these big channels like Chase on 2 Wheels, Yomi R6, not so much Baron, but who else? Who else is really big that does the giveaway shit? So there's a bunch of channels out there that basically started off as like these little motovlogging channels, like real simple channels. They got more complex. They got a lot of followers. These guys who ended up, you know, they, you know, basically like they all ended up doing YouTube full time. Which I'm gonna make a video about why doing YouTube full time is stupid. But anyway, they used to do all these like videos and shit that were just hella simple. Like, let's just ride around and do shit. Those videos are awesome, and I was really into them. And now they don't really make them anymore. Like, Do It With Dan does make a motovlog from time to time. Chase on Two Wheels, you know, let me reel back. Do It With Dan does actually regularly post motovlogs. It's not his main focus, like he's got other things going on, but he's not like, oh, I'm gonna give away this, you know, watch my channel to see who gets this. It's like, I'm gonna go be a dick. And that's Do It With Dickhead for you, is he's gonna go be a dick, and it's fun to watch. I love how this thing shifts. Like, if you don't use the quick shifter, it's just like clunk, clunk. It's awesome. It hates it. It hates using the clutch. But anyway, yeah, so like most of these channels have gotten away from regular vlogs, and I want to get back to the simple vlog. Like, what if I just, you know, this is my premise is when like starting here, it's like, what if I just made really simple 5 to 10 minute videos and just talked about a topic, maybe rode to some cool places, you know, maybe just rode to some cool places and had a nice bike, Ducati. I have a 2018 Ducati 959 Panigale. It's not the nicest of the Panigales, but it's fun. Like, I really like it. That guy was, I really like it. That guy was like riding like a Street Fighter or something. But anyway, you know, it's a fun bike. Like, let's just go back to simple. Let's go back to simple motovlogs. And that's what I want to bring back to you guys, is simple motovlogs, going to cool places, cool bikes, you know, and just leaving it at that. But anyway, I guess that'll probably be the end of this vlog. Is I'm gonna bring you guys some simple, good content for free on YouTube with a cool bike and go cool places. And fucking wait till my next video, man. We're just gonna fucking start making a shitload of videos as the weather permits and as my work, you know, as my work schedule permits. So I'm hopefully gonna post as much as possible, get a bunch of videos up. I already got 2 videos. This will be my 3rd if the audio is good. If I don't have to figure out something with that. I don't know if this mic was pretty cheap, so I might have to get a new mic. I mean, this video might not even get uploaded, but anyway, it might get uploaded. So this could be video 3. So you're watching the 3rd video. Check out my other 2 if you want to watch me roll around with some just music playing. If not, just stay tuned for fucking more motorcycle content. Simple me on a fucking 2018 Panigale. So anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.